Hello everyone, CyberHawk over here. Today I'm just going to show you my new app which I have specifically designing from a long time to give it to my users, where you can get the um, ethical hacking and cybersecurity stuff. So what I'm going to show you right now, how you're gonna download that application. So first of all, you open up your phone and then you go online. So I will share that link as well. So you go in a Safari, right, and over here you have to type CyberHawk dot base 44 dot app. This is my official cybersecurity app where you can see so much of a hacking, ethical hacking, cybersecurity, SOPs, that sort of stuff. So here you go. So once you enter that, you will see that it's like web app URL. How you gonna save that? You just click on these three dots and then you click on a share. Once you click on a share, you will see that option and then you go into the add to home screen. Once you do that, you can see that it comes up with the CyberHawk consultancy name and a logo and open up as a web app, and then you hit add. Once you done that, you will see that it will come up in your all apps. Right over here, for example, I have got that, which I'm just gonna trying to drag it down so you can see that. So over here you can see that that's my app, right? So you open that up and I'll show you a quick interface. So over here you can see there is a start learning. So that's basically like you wanna learn for ethical hacking and cybersecurity, you can get that going. I have got many things that I'm going to add that in my app. For example, you go to courses over here, threat intel, SOPs, and resources. In the resources and courses, I'm just gonna share the a private content, like which is a super confidential and related to the ethical hacking and the cybersecurity. And SOPs and threat intel, I'm sharing the dark web threat intel and SOPs, how you're gonna basically cover up your incident response. To gain the access, that's pretty easy. You just need to click on start learning. Once you click on start learning, it's gonna ask you to login required, so you have to create an account. So you just click on this login button and then it will come up with this login screen. I have integrated Google, Microsoft, Facebook. You can choose any of these, or you can just choose your email address if you want to do that. So if we just go all the way over here under sign up, and then you can see it will give you an option for email and then password. Once you create that one, then you will receive a 2FA code on your mobile app, on your email, that you enter that for a verification. And once you're done, then you will be able to use that credential to log into that app. Now what I'm going to do, that I'm just going to show you that quickly in that web interface where I have logged in right now. As you can see that I have logged in on my computer with a normal user. So once you logged in, you will see screen like that, right? So if I go into the learn, this is the cybersecurity courses which I'm gonna put over here. So you can see that I have put a network security fundamental course, penetration testing with a Kali, SOC analyst, and this are like some test courses over here. For example, if I click on this one, network security fundamentals, I'm gonna add the course details in here, and this is say coming soon, but I will gonna open up that course very soon once I upload all the data in there. In a blog over here on the top, I gonna write down all the blog posting, like how to do things, or educational blogs, that sort of stuff. For example, if I open up this one, you can see that it is a blog about the dark web and how that works. If I go into the threat, this is the threat intelligence hub, where I'm gonna share the latest IOCs, latest threat intel, that sort of stuff. If I open this Akira ransomware hashes, you can see that there's like a description of that and then analysis, and then I'm gonna add all that hashes. You can copy paste those hashes in your and your threat intel, like a MISP or something, or to enrich your SOC environment. So that's gonna be pretty handy for you. In the SOPs, I'm gonna add the standard operating procedures, like for example, how to set up the VMs, or what is the best practice for that, and incident response procedure, phishing email response, like pretty much how you deal with any sort of incident that you have. And the resources, I'm just gonna add all these, cheat sheets and scripts and checklists. I will do that later on. Also, I have got something really cool for you guys, because TikTok is keep like doing his stuff. So I have got a specific all videos field where I'm gonna put all my videos in it. That is gonna give you like a real-time video tutorial. For example, if I open this one, you will see that it's gonna give you how to install the TraceLab OSINT VM for your investigation. So this is give you like a complete guide how you can install that virtual machine in your environment. So I'm gonna upload that stuff into this over here. Just to let you guys know, right now I'm running no subscription fees because it's still in the initial stage. So once my app is fully up to set up and it's ready to go with all the content in it, then there's gonna be a subscription fees for it. So just get the deal going and get yourself sign up as soon as possible before the subscription start. Otherwise, you will be losing the deal. I will post more update very soon. Bye for now. Keep following CyberHawk. Thank you.